this episode we're off on a camping trip, heading towards Goomeri. You guys excited for Goomeri?
No. It's going to be so boring.
It's going to be quite relaxing if you ask me. Okay, we checked in at about 10 AM and setup went nice and smoothly. The kids went off exploring and I could set up in relative peace. We were camped in the low area beside the creek. That was down to just a few puddles, but provided afternoon shade and it was nice and quiet. The creek walk beside the campsites is pretty cool. There are some areas that are a bit steep, but it was a pleasant walk. The kids were starting to enjoy nature again.
Oh, bullseye.
Cheers, here we are at Goomeri Caravan and Bush Camp. I think we're booked in for about 3 nights. This is our first day. We set up this morning and so far very nice. Relaxed, quiet, except for the kids. But you know, I think we're just going to enjoy a couple of pretty relaxed, easygoing days. Oh, here comes some more firewood. You beauty.
What? Nonsense! He didn't have it.
Morning, gal.
Morning.
Yeah.
Sure. Sorry.
The drive to Boat Mountain was quite scenic as the farms were nice and green from recent rains. The track to the lookout was also enjoyable. Excuse the grainy drone footage, it's all that was retrievable from an accident it encountered, which you'll see a bit further on. A magnificent view from the top, which you can see from standing there without a drone. There we go. Let's see if the Challenger can make it. Shell was quite excited to head to Moffatdale Ridge's Winery for a taste test. So we ducked in quickly. She sampled a few drops and was quite impressed.
I got one of everything I tried. That's late harvest red.
Yep.
But it's white wine and red wine. It's I can't even speak. Late harvest white. It's yum.
Very nice.
And then melon madness liqueur.
Happy?
Very.
Some of the hardwood the crew brought back took some chopping, but we had a cranking fire each arvo and morning. And the first number is 00. My lucky number. B13.
Yep.
N. Who has an N?
Yes.
Me.
Good.
We all do.
44.
No, you suck.
I am 28.
Uh-huh.
No, you're not, but anyway. I 21.
Right.
G 47.
Yes.
Start with the row.
How about your free?
N 43. Sorry, N 34. Sorry, not 43. No, 34.
And Callum's face is still pretty smiley. Couple of phones in there, Joe. There we are, guys. Goomeri. Got our campfire going. Got our beers with our ADV stubby coolers. You can grab them at the merch store. No worries. Got a little bit of firewood for tonight.
I'm already
Pretty good.
I'm numb.
Multitasking there, Loz. Phone.
I'm numb.
And I missed you, did I, Cal?
Yeah, I'm numb.
Cool. Enjoyed it?
Yep.
What do you got, Cal?
Nutella pancake.
Oh, you beauty, eh?
Yep.
You mush it now. Not too bad.
Another morning, another fire. Cal's got his pancakes. And Miss Lauren, enjoying that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Baba, white sheep, have you any wool? Hello. And there's a little goat over here. Meh. Hello. They're just chilling. Hello. Oh, you're so soft. You're so soft. Very soft there. This black one really likes Callum. He's being a bit. He just wants the attention for himself. Go, cow, cow. Just say no. Just say no.
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 Mom.
Cow. Just. Then we've got. We didn't place the charge USB if you needed it. Then I've got little kids' chairs and there's a nutcracker there. It's a pretty nice place too.
I hope you guys enjoy this bit of footage. Silly me, flew the drone beyond my sight with the sensors off. I got away with it the first time, but when I went in for another waterfall shot, well, you'll see what happened.
This would have been better for the drone, Jay.
We've got brave and courageous leader out in
Oh
front.
yeah. You guys, just careful.
No, we don't call it ADV adventure for nothing, do we?
My leg's shaking.
Lost drones, sliding down dirt hills. Carl's going to have a hole in his bum,
What? I do?
probably from sliding on it.
No. Oh, so nice. Oh. Yeah, throwing down.
Now we pretty much start our vertical ascend on this marbly surface. Callum's mostly up, just be careful still, Cal. There's Loz, she's only about 4 metres away and it's pretty much vertical. This is a well-used track. Yep. Spiderwebs.
Someone's decapitated the fairies.
Oh, look at that one. That one has no head.
Oh dear.
That one has no head.
If I had known, I would have put some fairies here. We should have got that rock out of the car on where I'm meant to be.
Oh. So we're going up?
Right.
Are we doing it?
Yep.
Oh, some steep stairs here. Mine's all the way up there. Cal and I are on our way up. Look at that for a big bunya tree. Holy dooly. Well, we made it. That was an easy walk, eh, kids?
Yeah, totally. Sorry, Captain.
That was actually a pretty tough one, eh?
Yeah.
Tough.
Oh, let's have a look. And there's the lookout. Wow. More steps. Down we go.
It's a H.
It's a H.
The H tree.
H for Harris.
Harris tree.
It's our tree. Very cool, man. Coffee, chips, milkshakes.
Milkshakes.
Beauty. Creek crossing. Been on a firewood hunt. Filled up another couple bags.
We don't need that, Lauren.
We might.
Yeah, bring it. We'll see if it fits.
You're welcome. I gave you a 4.
Here we are, last morning coffees, campfires at Goomeri.
We made a detour on the way home and picked up a second-hand drone to replace the lost one. So we're back. Thanks heaps if you've watched to this far, and I hope it's shown you that even in a quiet place like Goomeri and Kilkeban, if you want to, there's enough to keep you interested for at least a few days. The kids really enjoyed themselves, which, as you saw at the start, they weren't keen. I know I'm going to be back to explore the country again soon, probably on a bike. I just loved it out there. Click the subscribe to see more later on, and feel free to share any comments. Cheers and hooroo!